So, you know, she first started out, you know, she was in Massey Hill when I was on patrol, you know, and I knew her from then. And just, you know, I just kept talking to her, really beautiful person. And I kept talking to her about getting off the street and how can she be a prostitute? Why don't she, you know, stop this and better her life and get off the drugs and alcohol and things like that. She would always get beat a lot, things like that. But I just never gave up on her. Every time I would see her, I try to give her something, an encouraging word. Sometimes I have a hygiene items and things like that. And here most recent, within the past 2 years, she came to me and she said, Officer Sanders, you really helped me get off the street. She said, I kept thinking about you and finally I decided to make a change. She said she went to rehab. She's totally off of alcohol and drugs for 2 years clean now. She is working in the ministry and she's now actually helping other prostitutes get off the street. And not only that, but she's now going to FTCC and she's getting her degree in culinary arts. And she has a 4.0 grade point average. So I told her when she graduates, she makes sure she gives me an invitation because I want to be there.